Hello traders, John Hyaden here with another daily revision. Let us begin. Starting as always, stop the video and read the general risk warning. It is very important for your knowledge to understand the risks under trading. Upcoming events. All events are taking place in GMT hours. I recommend you write the events down in your calendars so you would be able to trade and notice them before and after the announcements. As we go further this week, more reports from different zones such as the euro, the pound, the Canadian dollar and the US dollar are taking place. Now that Thanksgiving is behind us and traders return to the market. The European Central Bank speech is taking place this Thursday and will set the future plans of Europe related to the quantitative easing plans and other monetary policies issues. Later on, the US unemployment report on Friday may give further hints on the possible increase of interest rate by the Federal Reserve, which is happening later on this month. As you can understand, a lot of trading opportunities are waiting for us this week. Remember, each announcement or report can create movements in a certain direction, which obviously can be great for short-term traders like us. Once you understand in which direction the asset is going, you can trade in favor with the results. US market. Wall Street closed a bit lower yesterday. The S&P 500 went down by 0.5% and the Dow Jones by 0.44%. However, the small drop did not affect the positive balance of the big indices, which signed a second month of upward trend. Some refer it to the end of the year rally. Using technical analysis, we can see both buyer and sellers are fighting for their positions over here. In one hand, we are just under the last resistance area, which is forcing sellers to exit the market. However, the optimistic feeling of a strong US economy gives the buyers a reason to fight for their position and maybe to break the last resistance for further rally upward. Crucial point for both sides. According to analysts, the direction will be set after Friday, as unemployment rate might send the right hints for traders what to do. Good data means almost 100% increase in interest rate. Poor data may be confusing for traders since now there is a small chance not to see an increase in interest rate. Commodities. Gold. The precious metal finished November poorly with a drop of almost 7% in value. Last time we saw this sharp drop was in June 2013. The main reason for the sharp fall is due to the very strong US dollar and the belief among traders that we should see higher interest rate this month already. Using technical analysis, we can see the graph recovered a little bit yesterday as China manufacturing estimates showed mixed results, and the dollar kept steady during nighttime, letting the gold its chance to bounce higher. However, according to analysts, the small upward movement should not get the gold higher, and the downward trend will continue eventually after the news over China will fade away. Moreover, we can see the graph is inside a channel, just hitting the last resistance, which should force the price to drop lower in the short term. Crude oil. The price of crude oil inched higher in early trading yesterday, but at the end of the day, the commodity dropped and finished lower than it opened. Most investors are waiting now for OPEC, the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, meeting, which is taking place later on this week on Friday, to look for any change in their policy. For those who don't know, last time OPEC members said they have no intention to stop production, or in other words, they let the market to set the right price for oil. According to analysts, this is not the right method if they want to see higher prices of oil in 2016. Using technical analysis, we can see the graph yesterday tried to climb higher, but very fast the seller brought it back down, what leaves us with only one conclusion. Further drops are ahead of us if OPEC will not act fast. Stocks. Amazon published yesterday a video of a new service or innovation they are working on called Amazon Air Prime, which will send you an item you order in about 30 minutes using a special drone. Drone, for those who don't know, is unmanned helicopter working with a sensor that can reach your address with GPS. The spectacular idea can boost Amazon sales, but more importantly, it can attract other traders to buy Amazon stocks. We are not sure if the idea will actually take place in the near future due to some regulations related to the hair borders, etc. But no doubt the video made great impression among investors. That's it for today. If you guys have any question, please contact me on binaryoptionsreview@gmail.com, and of course visit Ken Davis' blog on binaryoptionsreviews.net. I'll see you again tomorrow.